Very good morning, class. Let us continue with chapter 12, electric current chemical effects. Here we will discuss about conduction through liquid. As you have already studied that there are some substances which allow electricity to pass through them while others do not. And the substances which allow electricity to pass through them are called as conductors, like your metals. You all know that metals are generally good conductors of electricity, while there are some materials which do not allow electric current to pass through them. They are called as a poor conductor of electricity, or they are called as an insulator, like air, wood, plastic are examples of insulators. Lime water. Lime water also conduct electricity, as lime water is acidic in nature. So here you can see the slide. We have already discussed that all metals are good conductors of electricity, whereas plastics and etc. rubber wood, they are poor conductor of electricity, or they are called as insulators. Yes. Now question arises: do liquids conduct electricity? Yes, I have just informed you that lime water conducts electricity because it is acidic in nature. Yes, some liquids are good conductors while some are poor conductors of electricity. Most liquids that conduct electricity are solution of acids, bases and salts. Although distilled water is poor conductor of electricity, but when salt is dissolved in it, it becomes a good conductor. Distilled water means pure water. Whereas tap water also conduct electricity because tap water is not pure water and has some salt dissolved in it. So, the passage of electric current through a conductive liquid causes chemical reaction, and the resulting effects are called chemical effects of electric current. Right? Now, here in this picture you can see two pictures are there. In picture A, the connection is done through liquid, so it proves that liquid conducts electricity, whereas the battery is there which has been used to conduct electricity. So in this picture you can see that in picture A the bulb is not glowing. Why? Because maybe liquids which we are using here are poor conductor of electricity, right? But in the second picture, when we are using a battery, so here you can say the bulb is glowing, right? So while testing liquids, we may find that the bulb does not glow as brightly as in case of metal, right? In this picture B picture you can see that metal is used, the bulb is glowing. Here we have used the spoon as a metal, but in second picture we have used liquid as a conductor. So it is shown that in picture A bulb is not glowing as brightly as compared to B1, right? So you can say yes, because the current liquids, or you can say the current through liquids is generally weak, as liquids are not as good conductor as metal. So for testing conductivity to liquids, we can use LED. What is LED? LED is light emitting diode in the circuit instead of bulb. So we are using LED to check the flow of current for testing conductivity in liquids, right? So LED stands for light emitting diode. It is used to check the conductivity of liquid. Here you can see the picture of LED. LED has two wires attached to it which are called leads. One lead is slightly longer than the other. It must be kept in mind that while connecting to a circuit, the shorter lead is connected to the negative terminal of the battery and the longer lead is connected to the positive terminal. It must be ensured that three ends of the lead do not touch each other. So children, in picture you can see the longer lead to be connected with positive terminal, whereas shorter lead is to be connected with negative terminal. Right? Thank you children.